Hello Internet, Grumpy Man here. Today I'm installing the Sena 10U motorcycle communication, so Bluetooth kit. This one's good because for about 9 models it integrates into the helmet. So all you're going to see is a little battery in the back here, and you'll see a little piece here. That's it. So let's open the box. Nicely packaged. I'll say thank you to Fortnite. I ordered this placed my order at 5:01 p.m. yesterday. At 5:40 it had been shipped, and I got it today at lunchtime. So thank you, Fortnite. They're in Montreal, so that's why it was so fast. But still, it was pretty fast order. All right, nice box. So. Okay, some sort of sticker. All kind of wired together. So you also get this spring loaded. So this goes like this and goes on your handlebar, which might be tricky for me because I have the GPS controller wobbly wheel on the BMW. But it's pretty big. It should be able to clamp somewhere else. And you have a button. That's your charge. You have a button here and a button down here, and then this moves, also clicks. So that's pretty good. So you get the remote. There's a better remote, but that's sold separately. So it was between this and the 20S. The 20S doesn't have the remote, and you have the big thing on the side, and I already have a GoPro usually on that side. So the whole reason I have this, one of the main reasons, is because the GoPro, the adapter for audio to attach an external mic, sucks. They sell it for 70 bucks and it doesn't work. It works sometimes, and then you go to make a video, you hit record, and guess what? No, you get home, you have no sound. Okay, so a little tray. I'm sure there's instructions in here, but we don't need instructions, being real men and all. Stickers, so I just added 50 horsepower to my bike right there. I'm going to put these stickers on. Okay, you got little foamies. This is the microphone actually, so this sits, it's gonna sit right in here after, something like that. So, foamies, so that's not extra ones, I think that's actual foamies, which I have to try because I wear earplugs, so I have to see the distance. These are rubber bands, I forget what those are for. Instruction stickers and a nice USB. So I don't think the battery comes off the charge. No. So your charging port's right here. You just charge it on the bike. Apparently you get 8 hours of use, about that much. And do we have anything in there? No. So that's the box. That without. So I've already taken apart my helmet a few times to wash it, and I think I'm gonna. Take those out. So that's my other helper, nice dog. It's quite hot out. Okay, so just so you know, you can take the whole helmet like this before you do it and soak it. Put the whole thing into soapy water, so baby soap, baby shampoo I should say, and you can soak the whole thing, and the bugs come all right off. And the same thing with these, so like once a year you should do that. They take a while to dry, and obviously you don't put them in the dryer because they'll shrink and then you'll never get them back in. So right now you can see I have foam. Hopefully you can see with the light here. There's these foam pads here. Those come out. So you can do this with the other kits, but this one is specific for this bike. that. So you can see the holes here line up with the holes for the pins for your pad. So just gonna place everything. And we'll just double check the instructions too. I have seen one video, but it was for the Neotech, which is the modular helmet, but that's pretty much the same thing. Blah, 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 blah. Quick reference, that's good. Because how you press the button on that controller, it's a whole, if you hold the button, like it says here, tap, press, pairing, and so forth. So I'll just keep this for reference, but I'm pretty sure it's straightforward. That's going to go here, so that's your good. So set that there for a sec. There you go. So that goes in snug like that, and you're all set to pop your clips back in. And there's little tabs here, which I believe oh, there. So put the tab in like that. So you put it in the forward part, and then this should just snap right in like that. So there's one speaker. I guess we just fiddle with the cables afterwards. Something like that. That's one side. So the other side is where it gets a little bit more complicated. So you have this little antenna that has to go in. You have that. It's the same thing. So I'm going to put the speaker in first. So that. So they don't make this for every helmet, but they make it for, I think, about 10 maybe. This goes. Oh, I should probably put that in first. Take it back out. I believe that's going to go. The antenna, they have it. Going forward like that. Okay. Goes like this, like that. So around the clip here. So that's your antenna for rider to rider, so forth. I don't think that this has FM radio, which I don't really care. I mean, come on. It's not 1990 anymore. You don't need FM. I don't think the FM radio on the ones that have it are that great anyway, according to the reviews that I've seen. I just washed my helmet, so that's why I'm not washing it now, but it would be, it's always a good idea to make your helmet less stinky. So now, this. Like this. It's cool. I'm gonna actually put the foamy on first. There. Hello. That's your microphone here. It's like it's got a little one, but yeah, that's not very. It ripped pretty easily. Okay. That might get in the way of my face. Pardon the bugs. My actual outside of the helmet is. It's been very humid here, so it's very. Just the wires here to add the wire. I don't know if this goes around. Do they have it around the? I guess there's a bit of fiddling to do with the wires. Okay, so that's basically it. So you can see from the inside with your mic. Your buttons are here, so you hit both buttons, turn it on. Okay, there's a wire there, but okay. So now I'm going to attempt to put my liner back in. We'll see. So these leave out. They're foam pads. I don't know what those are for. They look like they fit in instead of it, so I'll have to see just if it hurts my. No, it's just a matter of getting the shell to go back in. I don't know if there's any charge in the battery. So you get a bit of waterproofness too. It's not sitting outside the helmet, because the other ones are just slightly water resistant. So this is not bad. We'll see how it feels once I. Just a matter of finding the right little place for the hook. There you go. Click. Click. If you haven't taken your helmet apart, it might be a bit tighter. So there you can see the speaker's right there. So I'm pretty sure with my earphones, because this was pretty much the same level. This was a bit softer. pretty slick. Pretty impressed. And it costs the same as the 20S. 20S gives you a bit more range. I think a bit more battery too. Maybe not. And there are other ones. I mean, there are other ones, other brands. These are only people that do the a setup like this. But if you don't care about that setup, there's Carta, there's a whole bunch. Even BMW, I think, makes one. So that's it. It's in. Just put I leave this on. It's slightly warmer in the summer, but it makes a big difference for noise. A big difference. It really seals up, but it is a bit warmer. Click, click, click. So there you have it. So let's do the model. Let's see if I obviously can pop this one in, sorry. Some fail there. Just get the right angle. Click, click, click. So you can see right there, I don't know if you can get the angle. You see that mic? Okay, so the mic is right there. Okay, let's just try it on. I don't notice any difference. Nope, I don't feel it at all. So, I don't think there's any charge in it. Let's see.
Hello.
Oh, hello. So that's working. Okay, so I need to give it a charge. So that's it. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me. I said goodbye to. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. And if you need motorcycle stuff and you live in Canada, buy it Fort 9.